Are you going to do the numbers class?
Diego will tell you what to collect. Let's find 2.
You got to look for the number 2.
It's right there.
Yeah, it's up there. So when you see the number 2 in the water, move the boat over to the number 2.
Number 2.
I don't see it yet. You got to move the boat. There's the number 2. Can you make the boat go get the number 2? Make him get it, quick. Good job.
2.
Careful, you're going to hit the rocks and the alligators. You got to move the boat away from the alligators. Get the 2.
I got here. I'm to see animals.
Okay, where's the science button?
This one.
Where's the one that has the bugs on it?
On the book.
The science button.
The science button.
You were right.
Oh, Daddy.
Are we going to see animals now?
Maestra Beatriz lost her animal pictures for science class. We need to save the day by taking some new ones for her.
Oh, Dad.
It's coming.
The camera can help.
Click.
Pictures of the animals.
Click. Click. What's that?
Maestra Beatriz needs a picture of an animal.
Okay, click on the camera.
Green skin. Ted, let's take a picture.
Okay, look for the animal. Oh, there he is. Click on him. Go over there. Where'd he go? Do you see the frog? Click on the frog.
That's great.
I clicked on him.
You did? Did you find him?
Learn about red-eyed tree frogs.
Ooh, click the red button. Click the red button. Can you use your pen and click on the red button?
Red-eyed tree frogs have big red eyes to surprise scary animals.
Animals.
Red-eyed tree frogs have sticky toes to help them climb.
Cool. Good job. You found the animals.
Red-eyed tree frogs live in trees.